if you see here, this is the daily chart of Nifty, and it comfortably broke the 23% on Friday. And today it has gone further down towards the 38% retracement level that we had talked on Friday. And this is a reasonable expectation with the current situation in the world, a 38% retracement. So watch out for this level now, 24,368. If I look at Bank Nifty, which was weaker than Nifty, so we see the Bank Nifty has already touched the 50%. See, this is a very important thing worth looking. It has already touched 50%. And if Bank Nifty breaks this 50%, then it will become very weak. And I said out of Nifty and Bank Nifty is always the leading one. So Bank Nifty is leading the downfall now. So just be a little careful. These are good opportunities to buy more. And I've added more to my portfolio. So if we see here, I have added about 25 lakh rupees to the portfolio, 70 lakh 84,000, current valuation 69 lakh 32,000. And even in this fall, this portfolio of our investors club, we call a beer-proof portfolio, just 1 lakh 52,000 rupees of loss. And in this financial year, I've already booked a profit of 13 lakh and 9,000 rupees. Last year in our investors club, I had booked a profit of 32 lakh rupees, and even these downsides gives good opportunities. And today in this account here, I had already booked 46,000 rupees of profit, mainly through Algos. If we see here, this is Algo, which has already given a 46,000 rupees of profit today. So now the question comes, what are the stocks I want to trade tomorrow? And after the market, I look at the list closely. And these are the stocks which are now very oversold. Aarti Industries, the one that I will be trading tomorrow will be REC Limited. Now, why REC Limited? First of all, REC is a very strong stock, fundamentally a good stock. And if I move to REC Limited, let's say iCharts. Let's move into iCharts. Watch out for this space every evening around 4:30. This video comes of analysis. And here, let's go to OI stats of REC Limited. And if I check out REC Limited, this is where the current market is. This has fallen down a lot. And around this 460 level and a 480 level is a very attractive one. A safe one is a 460 call right. If I go to Opsta, Builder, REC Limited, options, put right of 460. Now this is another good one. If you see in this is a 64% probability and a 15% return. That's a a very good one. If you want to be a little, and if you go to 460, the one that I am looking at. So now, if we check out the 460, this is the one I'll prefer. 82% probability, 12,900 rupees, and it can be very easily done through the algo. So if we like here, this is, let's build one today. Okay, just 1 minute. Just build one in front of you. It'll take a little longer, but you will understand the power of algos here. Now here in this, see, I've done a similar trade like this. If you remember, I've done a trade of Pidilite, if you remember the last one, which gave me a 14,000 rupees of profit, which was a call right. HDFC Bank, remember? We had Reliance and HDFC Bank where put rights were there. That gave me 3,773 rupees. I have a Reliance put right going on that gave me a profit. It's still going. Now the next one that I want to go for here in this, how do I make it? Build strategy, multi-leg here. Strategy name is REC, put right 82. What does it mean? This is a put right with 82% probability of success. Underlying NSE, equity, and REC Limited. Okay. And I will take it as a positional trade, and I will take it as a range breakout trade. That means it starts at 9:15. I make it 9:16 to 9:25. Okay, 9:16, square of time, 15:10, 15:10. And since here my potential profit is 12,000 rupees, so I can work on a 2:1 reward to risk ratio. So I'm working on a risk of 6,000 rupees, and I say, if I am making a 6,000 rupees profit here, I'll trail 3,000. I'll lock 3,000 in this. My capital required is just about 1,80,000 rupees. Here in this, I say allowed late trading, required margin 1,80,000 rupees, and right, legs, I'm looking at low because you want the premiums to go down. So, and we are selling option REC limited monthly, and strike price is 460 in an oversold market. Strike price 460. Put right, not call right, put right. When you do put right, you're bullish. Oversold stock, select, sell, I've done, REC, low, and now advance and main. So I try to at least initiate one trade in this analysis, which you can also do. And if you want to, do this kind of trades, you can just go to algofinders.com which is my Algo site. Do a free sign up here. Do a free sign up here, and we are connected to 75 brokers. You can do it there. So I will share the link in the below in the comments. You can go for that. So now I have done it here. REC put right 82. So click on save. So I've created the strategy. I just deploy it. 1x on live. Click on deploy. Subscribe. All parameters in place. And I just click on start. My job is done. So these are the oversold stocks in the market, and Nifty and Bank Nifty are still bearish. Bank Nifty is very bearish. Some Bank Nifty stocks have started becoming an attractive buy, and one of them that I would look at would be HDFC Bank. That would be HDFC Bank. We can do a small scan. Let's say I say oversold below Bollinger, and let's select an index here of only banks. Nifty Bank, okay, and at it, save and scan. Nifty Bank, okay. But I'll do one more again. This is a small work on this one. So tools, let's make a new one. New or sold bank. Or sold bank. I'm interested in Nifty Bank. Here, this is Nifty Bank. Daily chart. I'm looking at very simple. RSI is less than 30. RSI is less than 30. Add to grid and save and scan. No data found. We still don't have any banks that have come into the oversold range. So wait a little more before you find stocks in that range. In the meantime, the stocks that are oversold are Aarti Industries, Ashok Leyland, Bata India, Bharat Forge, CUB, Dabur, LIC Housing Finance, Manappuram PFC, and yes, we have a bank, RBL. This is the bank that you can look at, which has become very, very oversold now. Great, guys. I'll see you again in one more analysis session. Bye-bye.